creator, it's your team Novel, and we're giving you 30 days of bite-sized tutorials packed with insider insight so you can learn how to use Shopify to host your content, monetize, and engage your audience like a pro. Today, we'll show you how to use customers to manage your customers, clients, sponsors, and pretty much anyone for that matter. Did you know email subscribers are treated as customers? So someone doesn't need to have to purchase anything for you to use customers to manage them. All right, let's get started and head to customers. If you want to follow along, you can download our sample data. The link is in the description. Then click the import button and upload the CSV. The import feature is a great way to migrate customers from other platforms such as Squarespace, MailChimp, and more. Let's also add a customer manually and click Add Customer. Enter a first and last name, email, and check Customer agreed to receive marketing emails. However, you would only check this option if you had prior consent from the customer. Then add a phone number. We'll leave the customer agreed to receive SMS marketing text messages unchecked because we don't have their permission. Next, add an address and choose whether to collect taxes. Since this customer isn't located in the US where this test store is based, check yes. You can also do other things like add notes about the customer. Notes are useful for quick reminders like, this client is difficult. You can also add tags, and let's go ahead and add client as a tag, and then click save. You've now just manually added your first customer. Now let's head to customers and create a customer segment for clients. To do so, click add filter. We'll use customer tags to create our filter, but there are many ways you can filter your customers, such as by number of orders or region. Once customer tags is selected, click contains this exact tag, and then client as the tag. Click apply, save segment, and give it a name. Let's use clients and then save. You'll be taken to your client customer segment. You should see the customer you manually added previously, along with a few more customers imported from the sample file if you used it. Now that the client customer segment has been created, you can use the segment to create custom marketing campaigns and discounts for clients only. Treating your clients and sponsors like customers opens the door for different selling opportunities, and you don't have to stop there. You can use customer segments to create super tailored experiences for different kinds of customers or even within segments you've already created. As you can see, there's quite a bit you can do with customers. You're only limited by your workflow and imagination. Well, that's a wrap. We hope you learned some things, and if you got questions, drop them in the comments. Until tomorrow, be novel.